Hi guys, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go live on Facebook. This is another way for you to connect with your audience, engage with your audience, and also to get to know your audience better, and for your audience to get to know you better. So I'm going to show you guys how to set that up in the video. So let's not waste no time and let's get into it. This is great in terms of connecting with your community and just making it more fun, letting your community know that you're about, that you're available, that if they want to ask you questions, if you want to do polls and or games, do fun stuff, like going live on Facebook is great for that, right? And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So if you want to do that, all you got to do is type in Facebook Creator Studio into Google, then enter, then right here, guys, you just click here. Now you go into the Creator Studio dashboard, right? So in order to go live, as you can see, you got all these different tools and different settings and options and stuff like that. So in order to go live on Facebook, all you got to do, and you want to make sure that you're on the Facebook dashboard, not the Instagram dashboard. So you're on Facebook, right? So all you got to do is click create new right here. And then you have all these options, and then you just select go live right here. Then you're going to be faced with two options. You've got create live video event and just go live, right? And the good thing is that you can go live by yourself. You can go live with others. You can even go live automatically. You can add tools, interactive stuff, so that your audience can interact more with your live, which is awesome, right? Another thing is that you can also do a test broadcast before going live. So you can test it out to see how you sound on the video, how everything looks, to make sure that the setup is right before you actually go live for real. Yeah. So all you got to do is select this option right here and then click select. And guys, as you can see, we're now in the create live video dashboard, right? Here, you can choose your camera controls. As you can see, the camera on my Mac is on and it's capturing me. So when I go live, this is what people are going to see. And also another thing, guys, is that you want to make sure that you name your live. So you want to put a title on your live, because you can see here, it says this go live is grayed out. In order for it to go blue, you've got to put a title in your live. So this is where you do it. So you click in here and let's type in the best live. And also, as well as a title, you want to put in a description. This is required. This is required before you go live, right? So I'm going to type in the best live, right? And then I can click this save button right here. And once I've done that, you see guys, I can now go live. The option is now live. The good thing about this is that if you want to add more interactive, to get more people interacting with your live and engaging with your live more, there are a bunch of options. So if you go to this interactivity tab right here, and then it gives you options to do polls, questions, graphics, prompts, right? So say, for example, a poll, you can create a question, and then you can pretty much just give people the option, save, and people can get involved with the poll. And also, guys, in distribution, you can select cross posts, or you can share to page groups as well. So this is great in terms of getting more distribution, letting more people know that you're on live, getting more people acquainted with you so they can come to your live and see what you're about. And then here, you can select your audience settings, which will also play into how your live is going to be distributed. And once you've put all that there, you can pretty much just click this go live button. And once you do that, you're going to be live on Facebook. Another thing is that you can select streaming software as well. If you don't want to be on webcam live, you can connect it to your streaming software as well, right? So there's options that you can do. And then once you're good to go, you can basically just click the go live button. You can even put in like a pinned comment. And there's so much stuff you can do here to make your live more fun and engaging. So guys, as usual, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys in your business. Also, guys, if you're interested in learning more about Facebook ads, TikTok ads, click the link in the description. I have some free courses there where you can get involved to learn more and implement those into your business. As usual, I'll be coming back with more videos. See you guys later.